Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. In this video, let me show you how to make money fast in Russian Fishing 4. Now earlier on into the game, say for example you are at level 1 to 10. At the start, go ahead and focus here in Mosquito Lake. So this is where you can go ahead and use simple baits like worms and bread to catch roach and bream right here. So go ahead and use any of these and then catch as many small fish as you can, because at the moment quantity will bring in steady silver early on. So go ahead and keep fishing, and don't forget to also sell your fish regularly before they spoil to keep your income flowing. Now go ahead and use the money to slowly upgrade your rods, your reels, and bait instead of buying cosmetic gear. Now, once you're into the mid-game level at around levels 10 to 20, you will go ahead and unlock new methods. So go ahead and switch to bottom fishing or spinning, and go ahead and target bigger and more valuable fish like carp, pike, and zander. And go ahead and prepare ground bait to increase bite rates and boost your catch per hour. Now, don't forget to go ahead and fish during peak bite times, usually early morning or late evening, to maximize your income. Now, each catch will now earn more silver while also giving higher experience. Now, as you move on to bigger lakes like Kuori, Bear Lake, or Volkov, when you're ready, use boilies, live bait, and stronger rigs to go after trophy fish. Now, these large fish take longer to catch, but they sell for huge amounts of silver. And only keep valuable fish to save durability on your gear and avoid wasting space. Now, don't forget to do your daily orders and join weekly competitions to earn extra payouts alongside your fishing. Now, a few efficiency tips is to always repair your gear before it fully breaks, because broken gear is expensive to fix. Now go ahead and fish near markets to cut travel time and reduce unnecessary costs. Sell your fish while they're still fresh to get the highest prices, and use multiple rods at once to triple your catch rate and boost your income quickly. Now, a few pro tips is that, of course, bigger fish are worth more silver, even if they take more time to land. Go ahead and learn known hotspot coordinates from forums or from friends to avoid wasting time searching. And avoid buying fancy tackle you don't need. Only upgrade when your current gear limits you. Stay consistent, because steady fishing will quickly build up your money. And there you go. I hope you have found this video helpful. See you guys next time.